Do you have annoying forehead wrinkles or someone that you know? I want you to share this video with them. I've got a great face taping tutorial today to help with those forehead wrinkles. So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you're always aware of my newest and latest uploads. Okay, so all you're gonna do is find the right tape for you. So whether that is your K tape, the Kinesiology tape, this one has a little bit of stretch to it, which is fantastic. Again, I probably recommend getting a not so dark color. You can get a skin color that matches your skin tone. Probably not this one, but it's totally up to you. And my kids are used to it when they see me walking around with black tape, but that's okay. You can also get the tape from the pharmacy. This is a first aid tape. It is the breathable type. And it's not too tacky, but at the same time, it has just enough of a stickiness to it that it will stay put for a prolonged period of time. So I like to do my face taping at nighttime because you just go to bed, you don't think about it, and you wake up with nice smooth skin. So all you're gonna do is choose whichever tape it is that you like. I'll do a combination of both so you can see that. And you're gonna cut strips as long as you need based on the area that you're working on. And I usually do my forehead wrinkles bilaterally, so I'm going to do one side, and then if I'm seeing something happen on the other side, it all depends on the way that you sleep as well, where you may see those wrinkles happening, or it could be the fine lines. Maybe it's not even a wrinkle yet, but for prevention, this is fantastic as well. So all you're going to do is, of course, have clean hands. You're going to cleanse your skin, do your nighttime cleansing routine and toning, whatever you do. You can apply your serums and things, and that's great, but just know that if they haven't fully soaked into your skin, you need to have the adhesiveness of the tape adhere to your skin. So you may need to wipe away a little bit of that excess if things haven't fully gone into your skin when you do your taping. All you're going to do now is look for where you see a problem area. I like to stretch up my forehead area. So again, against gravity, pulling up a little bit, and then basically apply the tape. Now everybody's skin is different, and on a different day, your hydration levels, your stress levels, what's gone on during the day, the amount of expressions that you made throughout the day, this could be changeable as well. So every day may look a little bit different. What I like to do is I kind of like to check in the mirror after I've taped if I'm seeing an area now, because what can happen is when you tape is you can create a few more areas of concern but just by taping, because you've pulled the skin taut. You're going to get your next piece of tape, again pulling up against gravity, and apply your next piece and just smooth it down. And as the more that you start to do this, the more you're going to realize that it is changeable, but you're going to sort of get your own routine happening, if that makes sense. And basically, that's it. You go to sleep and you wake up. Now, when you do peel it off in the morning, all you're going to do is always peel against gravity. Again, hold your skin a little bit taut and peel up against gravity, and very gently remove that tape. Mine both will come, oh, maybe not, will both not come off at the same time. And there we go, and you're going to wake up to beautiful, smooth skin. This is what the K tape, the Kinesiology tape, is a little bit different. It has a little bit more give and stretch to it, but it's the same type of idea. So you're going to pull up those areas where you see any type of lines or fine lines, wrinkles happening. You're going to stretch your skin and basically apply that tape, and then press it down and then leave that on. Again, first thing in the morning, you will peel it off against gravity. So I always peel up. I like to follow it up with a mineral water spray on my skin after I've removed the tape. And then of course, I'm going to go in with my skincare routine to help to keep that hydration. This is my own vitamin C serum that I make. So I have another video with this recipe, so you can check that out as well. And it smells lovely and completely natural, which of course is great for your collagen and your elastin. If you are a side sleeper, what you can do, of course, is check out wherever you've got, you know, those lines and things happening. They may be in different directions, not necessarily just across the forehead, but you can tape those regions as well. So I hope you loved everything that I shared today. I hope you're going to use this face taping technique so that you can experience those great results. Today, I talked all about face taping tutorials for forehead wrinkles. If you do have questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. Be sure to share this video with your friends and give me a big thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and click that bell. Everyone has a calling in life, and one of mine is to educate you how to live your life in tune and in line with nature. Thanks for watching.